Respected teachers and my dear friend, my name is प.अहमदनगर. I am from 4th standard. My school name is Jila Parishad Primary School, Sangam. Today I am narrate a story of Peacock and Nightingale. There was a village called Udaipur. There was a beautiful forest near to the village. There lived different varieties of animals, birds, fruits and flowers. There lived a beautiful peacock. It has a beautiful body and feathers. It danced beautiful in the rain. Once it was dancing to sing, but its voice was not beautiful as its body. It fell and sad came tears from the eyes. There lived also Nightingale. In the same forest, Nightingale came to the peacock. "Oh my dear friend, why you are so sad? Why you are so crying?" The peacock said. "Oh my dear friend, I don't have a beautiful voice like you. I wish I could have a beautiful voice like you." "Oh peacock, do you think I am lucky to have a good voice? When people listen to my voice and find me a tiny bird which is not beautiful as its body is black in color, they definitely disappointed. Now think, my friend, although I have a beautiful voice but not beautiful as its body like you, then also I feel happy and thank God for giving a nice voice for me." The peacock thought a while and realized Nightingale was right. I should never compare about my bad voice and thank God for giving a beautiful body. From that day, the peacock never compared about the bad voice. A dance beautiful in the rain. Moral of the story: thank God for what you have and do not compare what you do not have. Thank you. Bye bye friends.